Time for the intro, boys. Oh. Now we're doing a food chain challenge. Noah's over here on tadpole duty. We got some thick boys. Belmer's over there on bluegill duty. You catching any, Belmer? Sweet. We're gonna use these guys to catch catfish and bass. There we go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Get in the boat. Yo, there's bluegill here. Bring me that bucket, boy. Dude, they're bluegill, they'll be fine. That's right, boys and girls. We got one. Mission accomplished. I'm the best fisherman here, it's official. No, not that rod. I dropped you. Oh,
it's just chilling there.
Where's that? Is it right in there?
Yeah.
You sure? No, it's not.
I'm just flopping around.
Yeah, no, it was there for. All right, I have like I think my piece of corn was too big for some of their mouths too. So I just have like a top of a skin. There we go. Oh, what?
Is that a bad?
No way, this is a Mondo bluegill. Yo, what? Actually, no way, dude. I was gonna make a joke earlier that we were gonna catch a monster out of nowhere. Yo, bro, what?
Like that?
This is a freaking bull.
That.
No way. We're trying to catch bluegills for bait, and I just caught the biggest bluegill I've ever caught in my life. That's insane. Look at that beaut. No way.
I don't know how I did that.
What? No way, yo.
We got some tadpoles.
Two beefy boys. Yeah, throw those bad boys in there, dude. Let's go.
Wait, hold on. What I was actually aiming for
Was that little minnow?
was this little minnow right here that's sticking his head through the... Yeah, Matt's like, let me try here. He's like...
I'm like lightly tapping the leaves like, do I see any?
Oh my god. Some of them.
No way. All right, Noah's calling out our tadpoles. Got some chunky boys over here. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of this guy. This might be the biggest one we scooped. Nah, this might be the biggest one we scooped. He's got a frog face on him too. He's got a bluegill already. This man's on bluegill duty now.
It'll help us out.
That's a good one. Oh my god, it's mayhem in there. Those tadpoles are not happy. I'm just throwing a few casts for bass because I can't help myself. Oh shit. Well, it's roughly 8 feet out there, just ahead of you. Yeah, it's a gill. I had my camera off. I was saving battery because this is kind of a boring way to fish, but we got one, boys. We got another one. Oh, isn't it a beautiful sight? Look at that bad boy. Oh, on the corn on the bobber. I wasn't getting any bites, so I put my bobber up higher and casted it out further, and I found him. All right, so the next step is to feed this to a cat.
Nice. Wow.
It's for you. It's for you. Okay, you don't like fish? Let's go. That guy will make a few good cut bait chunks. Hope those tadpoles aren't gonna get murked. Damn it, not another bass. Dude, why is she more interested in the corn than in that fish? No way. Hey, I need some of that. Yeah, we got for those spikes. She's like, I think I'm supposed to like these. So we're here at the final location. we've got our bluegill and our tadpoles in this little bucket here. Basically, we're gonna take the big bluegills and cut them up and fish them on the bottom. We're gonna put the tadpoles on bobbers and have them floating around for bass. All right, guys, we got the first bluegill head going out there to the middle. Good luck to you, my friend. Catch me a fish.
Oh, right through the tail.
Through the tail?
Through the base of the tail.
There we go.
Have you fished with that tadpole?
Huh?
I'm heading over this way. Gotta get it in the water quick. I feel like he's not gonna last that long in this hook. All right, guys, we got a tadpole going in. My cat rod's set up with a bell on it. I'll be able to hear that when it goes off. I got a new tadpole on. He's more lively. I'm gonna get him into the... I got a fresh froggy boy over in the juicy area. See what happens. If anything's gonna happen, it's gonna be over here. There we go. Let's go. On the tadpole. What is that? On the tadpole. We finally made it happen. I got one. Let's go. This guy ate the tadpole. Let's freaking go. We've been working all day at that. He's not big by any means, but ooh, I'll take it. Feels good. Shoo. Let's go. Who's next? Who's our next willing participant? I'm so glad I got that fish. We've been we fished all morning for bait. We've been fishing all afternoon trying to catch stuff with that bait. That was the first fish I landed. Oh, no way. Oh my God. That was a good bite. Crap. Come right there through the base of the tail. This guy's crazy. He'll get bit fast. Let's get over there. Just want to see my bobber go. Whoop. Come on. Come on, go under.
You're on.
There we go.
You're on.
Let's go. Let's go. He's a better one, dude. Let's go.
The first one was what, like one? Maybe? Oh, that's not bad.
He's a little bigger than the other one. Let's go, dude.
Good enough.
He was fighting hard. Yo, that's 2 on the tadpoles. Let's go, baby. These things work. We just weren't in the right spot, man.
Yeah.
Dude,
I have a feeling.
how long were we here before we moved over here?
Oh God, I don't even
2
know
hours?
about it.
Over 2 hours, probably.
Probably.
It's our second fish on the tadpoles. But they're working really well. Like, we're getting so many bites on them. We just have to learn how to use them better. And we're just in a bad spot. That's number 2. He's about the same size. Probably a little bit bigger. Just fatter. Let's go, dude. Yeah!